Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a listen at the Audi A4 air pressure diaphragm. So this is the faulty air pressure diaphragm, and you can hear this is the noise. Now the issue is right here. This noise is caused from this diaphragm making a lot of noise. So by replacing this component, you should be able to fix the problem with this particular noise. So it's not many to it. Just have to remove a filter, take it out, and replace this component. Will only cost you a few $100, but that is the sound right there. This sound will get louder as you drive the car, as the engine gets hotter, and when you release or when you open up the oil cap, the noise will go away, and you can feel like there are a lot of pressure sucking in